Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Moviebox download not working. So if your videos are not being downloaded on Moviebox, this is what you're going to do. First of all, make sure that you update your Moviebox app. If you have done this and it still persists, what you're going to do next is to head over to the setting. But before you do this, make sure that you update your Moviebox. Head over to the setting and then scroll down and then click app management. In there, click app list. Now on the app list, search for Moviebox from the search tab. Then click on it. Then in there, you're going to click on permissions. Then you click photos and videos. Make sure that you put it on always allow all. Click on always allow on and then go back. After that, you just head over to storage and caches. Click on it and then click clear caches. After clicking clear caches, head back and then switch off your phone and switch it on back. After that, you can now be able to download movies on Moviebox. So that is how you can be able to fix this. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you.